Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo and thank you for watching this video. And for today, mag-shoot tayo ng ube halaya. Kaya I'll tell you some things na kailangan mong malaman if you will try shooting food photography. So we have 3 things for today. I will talk about focusing first, second is color scheming, and third is composition. So this is just a quick tips for you guys and pwede nyo pang ma-improve to along the way. And wag na natin pabahin pa, let's go with our ube halaya shoot. First thing na gusto kong i-recommend or i-suggest sa inyo na tip in terms of focusing is that use f8 to f11 aperture, or if walang masyadong available light and you're using your continuous or LED light, you can use still hanggang f4. Why? Sabi nga ni Sir James na dun sa last workshop niya together with Canon Philippines, when you're shooting food, kailangan mapakita mo yung entirety ng isang dish. So if you will use 1.2, 1.8 or 1.4 in this kind of photos, pwede yon if sobrang zoom, tapos beauty shot or detail shot talaga yung goal mo. Pero if you want to show the entirety of the dish, you need to use f8 to f11. And minsan nga hindi pa nakukuha in this range of aperture. Minsan hindi pa siya nakukuha. So I'm still doing focus stacking para lang mapakita ko yung buong dish at ma-appreciate siya ng mga viewers, or lalo na if ilalagay ito sa menu. So, those are the things na kailangan nating tandaan kapag mag-shoot tayo ng food, and especially kapag first time mo. So, use f8 to f11 and also use external flash or mga mas malalakas na ilaw if you're using continuous LED light. Kasi shooting at f8 and f11, sobrang narrow nung opening ng lens natin and more light is needed. Second thing na kailangan nyo i-consider is yung color scheming. So, kailangan nagko-complement yung colors na gagamitin natin within our frame. If you want light and bright, kailangan yung gagamitin yung mga props and backdrop is for light and bright. And for moody, kailangan yung backdrop nyo, yung props nyo is for moody or rustic feels yung gagamitin. So right now, ang goal natin is light and bright. Tapos parang nasa kitchen yung feeling. Kaya ganito yung mga gagamitin nating container. So ito is ramkin. Kaya dito natin ilalagay yung ube halaya natin. Tapos yun, I use color.adobe.com na website for my color scheming plan. Meron sila doon marami. Pwede kayong mag-explore ng mga different type of color scheme or color palette, or pwede rin kayo tumingin ng mga trending color palettes. So, those are the things na isa pa sa mga kailangan nating i-consider is yung color scheming. Para pag tinignan, right off the bat, yung photos natin, maganda na, and konti na lang yung i-edit natin sa Lightroom or Adobe Camera Raw. So for our tip number 3 in this video, practice your composition. In food photography, especially if gagawin mong lifestyle yung frame mo, magandang mai-practice mo yung maayos na composition para hindi nalilito yung mata ng viewer or yung mata ng client mo kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mong ipakita firstly dun sa photo, second and third. Kailangan may hierarchy, hindi yung pagtingin dun sa photo, naglalaro yung mata saan ba siya titingin. And most importantly, maraming composition, hindi lang rule of third. So, better check it out kung ano yung mga bagay na composition dun sa isushoot mo. Meron tayong mga different layouts para sa flat lay natin, meron ding different layout pagka nasa 45 degree angle or 90 degree angle, or yung dead center yung mismong subject mo talaga. So, practice your composition kasi mas magandang matutunan mo to para mas maayos mong maipresent yung story or yung concept ng photo mo dun sa mga titingin or especially dun sa clients natin. So, nakalimutan kong sabihin kanina na ang ginamit nating camera for this shoot is this Canon EOS M50. Kung nakikita niyo, ayan. Yan yung ginamit nating camera. And Kit lens lang yung gamit natin. Wala tayong ginamit na any zoom lens and prime lens sa shoot na to. Mainly kit lens with external flash. May trigger tayo. Kung nakita nyo sa footage kanina, meron tayong trigger. And yun lang basically yung setup natin for this one. And I hope na nakatulong yung 3 tips na binigay ko sa inyo. Hopefully, kapag ka nag-shoot kayo, mas ma-improve nyo pa. And guys, if you want to learn more about photography, videography, editing, and vlogging, please consider clicking the subscribe button kasi marami pa tayong nakahandang tutorial videos in the future dito sa channel na to. And also, if you find this video valuable, don't forget to click the like and share button para mas marami pang may matutunan yung mga kaibigan natin dyan sa photography industry. And if you want to support this channel and me creating more videos in the future, we also do have our Buy Me a Coffee site link in our description box below. That's all for today, guys. Once again, this is Geronimo. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next one. Bye, guys. Peace.